Good evening. This is Madhula Takisetti from IMD New Delhi. Today I'm going to brief last 1 week weather. Uh, and coming to the main features, the remnants of Bulab cyclone has moved westward from the country and it has emerged as a severe cyclonic storm. Anyway, it has moved away the country eastward. And the second one is withdrawal of the monsoon. I will explain here. If you see this picture, one can see the deep depression over the Gujarat, Saurashtra and Kutch region. It has further developed, these remnants of the Bulab has further moved westward and developed as a severe cyclonic storm. Anyway, it has moved over the coast, so there is no much effect of rainfall related to this system. And coming to the second system, there is one cyclonic circulation over Jharkhand and Bihar region, and also you can see there is cyclonic circulation over south central Bay of Bengal. As I told, the deep depression has moved away from the coast, and you can see the track of the cyclone. It was moved away the coast, and actually it has emerged into northeast Arabian Sea and moved across North Arabian Sea and Gulf of Oman during September 30 to September 4th, and it was emerged as severe cyclonic storm Shaheen in the early morning of 4th October. Coming to the other synoptic features, as I told, there is a low pressure over North Jharkhand and Bihar region in the beginning of week, and it was further weakened into low pressure. And however, the remnants of the system are stayed over the west Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and southwest Bengal. And the second other system is cyclonic circulation over South Bay of Bengal. It was 13 September. It was moved westward and it was moved to Tamil Nadu coast, and now it lies over the East Central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast. If you see the propagation of this system, I will explain this deep depression. You can see it was further moved westward. If you see from 30 to 5th October, and if you see the cyclonic circulation over the Jharkhand region, it has moved northward. You can see the remnants are still there 5th October and also the later also. And the cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal has moved westward, and now it is moved westward to Arabian Sea, and now it is in the, you can see this is 7th October, now it is lying in the Arabian Sea. And coming to the rainfall associated with the three system over Jharkhand region and the Bay of Bengal and its westward movement and the deep depression, the heavy rainfall is observed over the Jharkhand and West Bengal regions and also in the Tamil Nadu regions and also East UP. You can see the surrounding rainfall, associated wind pattern over the surface 925 hectopascal. And I'm just showing few cases where if you say day-wise, due to the cyclonic circulation over the Jharkhand region, very heavy rainfall happened over Gangetic West Bengal and then East Uttar Pradesh. And coming to the cyclone related to the movement of the circulation in the Bay of Bengal, heavy rainfall was happened in Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh and other regions. Coming to the second one, the withdrawal of the monsoon was happened. In general, it has to be happened in 17 September. But last week, due to the formation of different systems like cyclonic circulation in the Bay of Bengal and also the Jharkhand and the deep depression over this region, the rainfall was happened. So the withdrawal was delayed. But due to the establishment of anticyclonic circulation in the lower tropospheric levels and over western parts of India, and this moisture is also reduced. So IMD has declared the withdrawal of the monsoon on 6th October, and it is observed from models are predicting that conditions are becoming more favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from the northern parts of the country along with northwest in the northern parts of the country in next 2 to 3 days. This is the seasonal subdivision wise rainfall. This is for the 1 week region. If you see, most of the country has received excess amount of rainfall, apart from coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Telangana, and also in the northeast India. Apart from these regions, the other regions has received rainfall related to the cyclonic circulation, which I have explained earlier. And if you see the seasonal rainfall as a whole, actual it is 874. Normal is 880 and actual is 874. It is near to normal as a country whole. But if you see over the east and northeast India, The actual rainfall happened is deficient compared to the normal. It is 12% deficient compared to the normal rainfall. Coming to the current synoptic features, there is a cyclonic circulation over the Arabian Sea, and also there is a cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal, particularly now it is in the East Bay of Bengal. And also it is a low pressure is also very likely to form over North Andaman Sea. Mm. So associated with this system, if you see the weather warning, there is only heavy rainfall can happen in the next one day in the southern parts of the country, associated with the passage of the cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal. Rainfall is expected over the east coast of the country in all the 5 days, and associated with cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal, rainfall is forecasted for the next 4 days. Since the monsoon is already started withdrawing, there is no rainfall in the northern parts of the country. You can see it is further deepening in the northern parts of the country. There is no rainfall happening. It shows the withdrawal phase of the monsoon. And coming to the extended outlook, if under the influence of cyclonic circulation over the east central Arabian Sea, very heavy rainfall is expected over the Karnataka coast and Goa coast, and also related to the movement of the system of cyclonic circulation from the Bay of Bengal, some rainfall must happen around the east coast. One can see there is rainfall over the southern India, but there is no rainfall over the northern India related to the withdrawal phase of the monsoon. This is for the week 1. And coming to the week 2, associated with the passage of northward movement of the cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal, the rainfall is expected is along with the southern peninsula. The rainfall is extending to the north and northeastern parts of the country. Thank you.